What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subbed, so please tap that big red subscribe button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So it seems as though we've had another sideways day with Polygon's price action. As we can see, we have outlined somewhat of a bull pennant that we do believe may be forming on a longer time horizon. And as you can see, it does seem as though with this price action seemingly not deciding which way it's going, especially with Bitcoin now heading up to around 39.5K, with many other altcoins essentially starting to move up as well. It does seem as though things are currently undecided for what Polygon's going to do. As we can see for the past few days, it's essentially been trading sideways in between this area of around $2 and 175, as we can quite clearly see here. This has been happening for around 3 or 4 days now. So it seems as though the price action for Polygon can't be decided currently by the bulls or the bears. So we're probably waiting for a big wider market breakout to decide which way the price action is going to go. But we do think, considering how well Polygon has performed recently, that it's most likely going to be a rip to the upside in our opinion. Obviously, the market seems as though it's slowly recovering. Bitcoin is a challenging 40k again as we speak. And if it can break through that 40k level and get above 41k, which we do think is more and more likely considering that Bitcoin is making higher lows all the time, then we do think Polygon is going to have a huge rip to the upside. If that's the case, that would be a big catalyst in the market that would essentially see Polygon moving up. In our opinion, it seems very unlikely that Polygon's probably going to be rolling downwards again. Considering all the buying pressure that we've seen under 150 here, we would be surprised if Polygon did roll, that it would retest this and not bounce. Because if you look at the sheer amount of structure that we've put in these areas recently, it's pretty obvious that even though we did have this big fake out to the downside, we did have a very nice V-shaped recovery for it in the space of a few days. So it seems like the demand for Polygon under this level is very, very high. And we'd have to see a huge capitulation in the market, in our opinion, to see Polygon falling down below these levels again, in our opinion. So it does look as though we may be forming somewhat of a bull pennant here. As we can see, we've outlined this in the gold, which you can see here. And it does look as though with all the coiling that we're seeing, basically we're making the price action is basically coming in like this and coiling until it will reach a critical mass where it will have to decide if it's going up or down. And usually this is quite an explosive move, especially with the volume seemingly tailing off here. As we can see, there hasn't been a big move for Polygon in the past few days, really. So it does seem likely to us that we're probably going to get a very nice rip to the upside very soon. And if that's the case, then that 240 level that we outlined in the last video will be the first target. And then we'll probably come back down, maybe retest some of these levels at around 220, which does seem to be a historical level of resistance. Maybe we'll retest that as support and then move up and retest this 270 all-time high, as we can see here. We can imagine that obviously Polygon is performing extremely well recently, but I do think if Bitcoin can get above 41k, we're probably going to see a very big move to the upside for Polygon. And it doesn't seem unlikely to us whatsoever that we're probably going to be seeing new all-time highs for Polygon in the next few weeks if Bitcoin can break through its all-time high. I mean, if Bitcoin can break through its local high of around 41k. Which is an area that we really are targeting for a big continuation in the bull run. Obviously, there's still a large amount of fear in the market, which is understandable considering all the uncertainty that we've seen. But we're very, very bullish on Polygon, and we do think there is a huge amount of demand. As we can see, it had this massive recovery from around all the way down here at around 75 cents, if my cursor wants to work. And it ran all the way up here to around 244, which is a 225% gain in the space of literally 1 or 2 days, which is insane. Obviously, we'd had this correction and now we're bouncing around this level at around 185, which is around 31% from the all-time high. So Polygon has recovered very nicely in comparison to most altcoins, which do seem to be down still 50, 60, maybe even 70% from their all-time high. So very nice to see Polygon bouncing back as it has. Obviously, the price action in the last few days has been boring. We've been getting quite a lot of people commenting on our videos saying, when's it going to move? And we would basically advise caution in getting impatient in the market against these sorts of people. Not financial advice, of course, but cryptocurrency is a long game as well. And if you're holding quality projects in the long term, 9 times out of 10, you're probably going to be making a lot of money. So it's important to remember to keep a long-term perspective. Don't get too caught up in the minutiae of the day-to-day. Obviously, it's not moved for the past few days, but that doesn't mean the project is dead or the gains are over by any stretch. And usually the longer that projects as good as Polygon do nothing like this, the bigger the move will probably be. And we do think that it's probably going to be to the upside, considering that the wider market looks as though the sentiment is improving day over day. So short-term price predictions, like we said, this 240 level is our first price prediction if we break to the upside. And then short-term, again, we would like to see challenging this 270 mark if the Bitcoin can get above 41k. We do think that we're probably going to hit this 270 mark and probably come back and retest and then break it in the next month or so. So we're very bullish on Polygon. And our long-term price prediction, we would like to reiterate, we do see this easily being over $10 by the end of the bull run, which is basically a 5x from the current price. So very, very achievable. And we do think $15 or $20 is most likely at this point, which is around a 10x from the current price, or around a 7 or 8x from the all-time high. So that's our update for Polygon today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. And remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with purevpn. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.